Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wondered how to create a stunning landing page without diving deep into coding or spending hours on design, this is the tutorial for you. Today, I'll walk you through building an attractive, effective landing page on Wix, all by tapping into the power of their built-in templates. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get your website up and running with a polished look, even if you're totally new to Wix or web design in general. Let's jump right in. First up, once you're inside the Wix dashboard, go ahead and find the option that says Create New Site. This is your starting point, almost like opening up a fresh notebook or a blank canvas for a new project. Click on that and you'll be greeted by a few different ways to build your site. Wix offers a Studio template, an option called Studio Blank Canvas, and even a Wix editor driven by AI. If you're curious and have more time, feel free to explore those later, but for today's walkthrough, we'll use a free template. Why? Well, it's simply the fastest and easiest way to kickstart a gorgeous landing page without needing to design anything from scratch. Templates are like having a professional designer hand you a fully made base so you can focus on your content and brand. So choose the Studio template option. It may take a second for the next page to load, but don't worry, that's just Wix getting everything ready for you. Now you'll see a range of categories. Look for the one labeled Landing Page. This section is dedicated to sites meant for making a specific impression, selling a product, or capturing signups. It makes finding a template that's tailored to your goals a breeze. Take your time here and scroll through the available landing page templates. You'll notice each one has a different vibe. Some are bold and energetic, others are clean and minimalistic. Think about the purpose of your page. Are you promoting an event, growing your email list, or maybe launching a new service? Try to choose a template whose style lines up with your message and brand personality. And don't stress if it's not exactly perfect. What matters most is having a solid foundation to build on. Once you've found the template that feels right, just click Edit. It might load for a moment, so grab a sip of your coffee while you wait. When the editor opens up, the fun really begins. Now you can customize the entire page to suit your needs. Click on the images, swap them out with your own branding or product shots, or keep the ones that already fit your vibe. Change text, buttons, and colors with just a few clicks. The beauty of Wix's editor is its drag-and-drop simplicity. Play around, you literally can't break anything, and every edit brings your landing page closer to your vision. Remember, you don't need to overhaul every tiny detail right away. Start with the key things, change the headline to match your offer, update any call-to-action buttons, and personalize the images that matter most. If you get stuck or hit a creative block, don't hesitate to use the template's example sections as inspiration. They're there to guide you. And honestly, that's all it takes. In just a few steps, you've gone from a blank screen to a professional-looking landing page ready for your audience. Digital projects sometimes feel intimidating, but with tools like Wix templates, you can achieve great results quickly and confidently. If this saved you time or boosted your confidence in building your website, don't forget to hit that like button. I always love answering your questions, so if you're unsure about anything we covered or want to see more Wix tutorials, just drop a comment below. And of course, make sure to subscribe for more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.